If you feel that you are falling behind in the race of AI, then it is not true. Why? Because more than 90% of professionals use AI in very generic way. They write simple text to AI and get very generic output. And they feel that it is just an alternative of Google search. But there are 10% professionals who use AI in the right way, and they utilize the full potential of AI. And in this video, we will discuss all the details how you as an individual can utilize the AI in the best manner so that you can ask the AI to do the task that you do. And we will start this video with very simple question. What is AI? AI क्या है? And the simple answer is AI is a predictive machine. AI एक predictive machine है जो चीज़ों को predict करने का कोशिश करता है. For example, I am asking AI that I like dash dash dash. Then AI will predict what the next word should be. And AI can give me the output that I like fruit, I like walking, I like movie, and the best fit word it will give as an output. I'm giving you one more example that I write to AI that I want to go dash dash dash, and AI will give me the output by predicting the next word. It can predict I want to go to Himalaya, I want to go to Kashmir, I want to go to Delhi, I want to go to USA, I want to go to Bangalore, and in this way it will try to find the next possible word. And this is the background about AI. This is the logic how actually AI works. AI always try to predict the next word. It always try to predict the things that you has given as an input. So let's take an example that if we give very less details to AI as an input, then what will happen? Let's take an example. एक example लेते हैं कि एक बच्चा है. Now we are giving one goal to this child that he has to run 500 meters and we have not given any direction. What will happen? वो बच्चा क्या करेगा? He can go in any direction, right? We have not given the clear direction to the child. And the same way, if we do not give the clear context, the details to AI, then it can move in any direction. It can predict in all the direction possible. But if we ask the child that you have to run 500 meters in the east, then the child will have the clear idea, clear direction and clear goal. Then it will go to the 500 meters in east, right? Similarly, AI में अगर हम clear inputs देते हैं with clear context, then AI will also give the output that we desire, right? And let's take an example, and after that we will start understanding the right prompt that is important. And I have seen lot of video on YouTube, and this is a combination of all the knowledge and all the experience that I have using AI from last 4 to 5 years. I'm using AI from 2022, and at that time AI was just starting its journey. So I have seen the different phases. Some years before, prompt engineering was a very big thing. People were saying that prompt engineers will be getting much more than other engineers, but now we can talk with AI in a very simple layman language, and AI will create the prompt for us. We can create an agent inside our AI which will help us to write the prompt, right? So we are going to look into everything. Let's start with how to write a good prompt. Now, once we have clear understanding how AI works, we can work on how to write a good prompt. Firstly, we have to give the clear role to AI. Why it is important? I'm telling you a story. So I give the AI to act as a policeman. Then what it will do is it will start behaving like a policeman. It will ask the questions and use the technical words that a policeman use. Now I ask the AI to act as a doctor. Then it will start behaving like a doctor. It will start giving prescriptions and advices to us. It will start giving the technical words to us, right? And if we'll ask AI to behave as a marketer, to act as a marketer, then what it will do is it will start acting as a marketer. It will use the technical words and it will use all the knowledges that a marketer should have. Now, because the role that we give to AI accordingly AI start acting, right? AI start behaving like it. That is why giving the right role to AI becomes very important. If we will give the wrong role to AI, then the output we will get from the AI will not be as desired. For example, if I want to analyze the financial report of a company and I ask AI to act as a marketer, then it will analyze everything in the perspective of a marketer, not as an analyst, right? So, if we want to get the clear picture about the financials of a company, then I have to give the role to AI as a CA, chartered accountant, or as an analyst so that it can give the output that we desire. Now, the second important thing is giving the right task, the goal to AI, what it should do. For example, if there is a doctor and there is no goal he has given, then he will do nothing. So it is important to give the clear role to AI, right? And after that, it is also important to give the clear task to AI. For example, I want to create a email draft using AI, then I will give first role to AI. So the role can be as a senior manager or as a technical person, right? Based on the requirement. And the task should be very clear that I need a email draft having the bullet points, and it should start with greeting and end with uh, thanks and regards and the details, right? If we have given the clear task to AI, then it will not hallucinate. It will not predict in the any direction. It will have the clear direction, right? Now, the third thing is giving the right context to AI. Now, we have given already that you act as a, for example, senior manager, and I have given the task that create a email draft with these details and always make this professional. Use the greeting in the first and use at the end thanks and regards and all the details that you want to get, right? Now, AI has no idea about the context, what to write. So we have to give as much information as is required to AI to write a good email. And it should not be more than that, right? And it should not be less than that. I'm giving you one example. For example, I give context to AI that I like pizza. Now it has some context, but it is not very clear context. Now I give some more details that I like pizza of XYZ store. So I have given some more details to AI that I like pizza but of a particular store or a particular restaurant. Now the third thing that I write to AI is I like pizza of a particular restaurant which is located in a particular city or which is located in a particular location. Now AI has more context, right? So as much as context we give to AI which clarify the context, the details, then the output we will get from the AI will also be very clear and as desired by us, right? Now if we give the context which is not relevant to AI, then also AI will start hallucinating. Example, I love reading books. I go to morning walk. I love gym. I walk every day 1.5 kilometers. These are the details I have given to AI. And the question that I want to ask with AI is, what is the distance between Delhi and Bangalore? Now, the context that we have given to AI, it has not relevant in this case, right? And that is why maybe AI will hallucinate. That is why if we are giving a context to AI, it should be very clear and relevant. Now we have clear with the three things. We should give the role to AI. Now we should give the right task to AI, and then we should give the right context to AI. Now it becomes very important to give the right output format that it should deliver to you. It should give the output to you. For example, I need the output in a professional email format. I need the output in which the date should be in the left side. I need the output in which the date should be in the right side. I need the output to have very professional words. Do not use any negative words. And it should have all the bullet points necessary, and it should not have any emojis, right? I've given the output format. Also, if I'm doing some analysis and I want to compare something, I will clearly mention that I need drop down table so that the output that the AI will give will have the clear idea. So AI will not go in any direction, it will give the output in the right way as desired by us, right? If we will not give this output format, then what will happen is AI can give the output whatever he feels is right. So it can be and cannot be relevant for us. So it is also important to give the clear output format instruction to AI. Now, if we have given this all the details to AI, the output that we will be getting from AI will be very relevant, very personalized, and ready to use. Now, there is a concept of pull prompting and push prompting, and I think first time you will be listening to these words. So I want to explain these two things. Push prompting is in which you ask AI to give you some details, or you ask AI to do particular task, and what you do is you take the help of AI and do 80% of a task by yourself by changing the format, doing all the details, keeping all, I mean putting all the logics. And it is a very bad way of talking with AI and working with AI. The right way is the pull prompting. What is it? It is that you are asking AI in such a way that AI is giving you the output ready to use, and only you have to review and do little bit of changes on it, and you have to complete the task. That means 80% of your task has been given to the AI, and only 20% of the task that you are doing. Now you have free time more than 10 hours a week if you are using the pull prompting method, and we are going to discuss how we can do this with clear prompting that we have learned. And after that, we should also be clear that we can give the different steps to AI. For example, I'm giving you an example that take these two links of YouTube, right, and analyze the video. After that, create a markdown table to compare these two videos on these particular parameters. After that, please give me the pros and cons of each parameter. So what I have asked AI is, just don't do the analysis, just don't do the research for me. Firstly, do the research. Based on the research of the output, take it as an input and do the next step. Take it as an input and do the third step. And in this way, AI will do almost 80% of your task, and you have to just perform the 20% of the task. And after that, you can finish the work. Now, this is the way you should use the AI. Now, as we have already learned how to write a good prompt, and we have also learned how we should give the prompt to AI so that we work on pull prompting, not in the push prompting, right? Now, what you have to do is do lots of hit and trial and find out the 10 prompts that is working very good for you, and put it somewhere so that you can use it in the coming time whenever you are required to use it. Next, we will discuss about what are the things that we will be discussing in this series. So in this series, we will be discussing about the each and every tool that is very important to know as a individual, as a manager, or as a corporate employee. We'll start with ChatGPT. We will do complete postmortem of ChatGPT, and after that we'll move towards Gemini and Claude, and then we will move towards Gemini Pro, and we will then move towards Gamma. And if you want to automate the task that you do, you can also do with no code AI automation tools such as N8N. We're going to look into all of it. So if you are someone who want to learn everything and you feel that this video is going to help you, then please subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.